Welcome to my channel. This is Jinsky Nenap. Hello! Dito tayo sa BGC Bonifacio High Street. Ayan guys, so nagpunta kami sa Maynay. Ayan, nag-check kami ng mga price dyan guys. So, original siya. So expensive. Napakamahal. Nasa libo ang mga presyo ng mga items dyan. So, after that, ay nagpunta kami sa Sunny's Coffee. Yan. Bili kami ng coffee para sa aking husband. Ayan guys. So, enjoy ang mga moment. At salamat sa aking second cousin. Siya nag-invite sa amin dyan at sinama kami. Sinundo pa talaga kami sa aming condo para maipasya ng aking husband. Ayan guys. So, first time ako nakagala ng gabi dyan. So, ang ganda. Dati dinadaan-daan lang namin yan. Ngayon, yan. Nakapasok sa Sunny's Coffee.
Kasi di mo ko na 40 over 90.
Normal? Medyo mataas kasi.
Normal kuya?
Naglakad
Wow,
normal lang siya. Kaso medyo mataas. Kakakapi niya lang dyan.
Always watch your step.
Ayan, at naglakad-lakad kami papunta sa Giants at sa malaking TV. Pinasyal ako ng second cousin ko. Ayan guys, so enjoy bonding ang trios. Trios. Pinapasyal namin ang aking mahal na asawa.
Ayan yung sinasabi
Kahit
ng
ayaw niya. Napipilitan dahil sa makukulit
we have another
na mga kasama. Ayan guys. So ayan, ang gaganda ng mga ilaw at maraming tao talaga dyan guys. Kakatapos lang ng New Year's.
Giant.
So maraming
Santa
namamasyal.
Claus.
First time lang talaga ni Jinsky Nenap na
Giant
maggala
Christmas
kasama
tree?
kanyang husband dahil
Oh, really?
homebody lang talaga kami. Ayan guys, so, enjoy for visiting the BGC kasama ng aking second cousin at Bautista family. Thank you so much guys.
BGC.
Enjoy tayo sa gala-gala. Thank you again. 2026. Welcome to New Journeys.
B52.
B52, can I try it please?
B52 bombers.
B52.
Bailey's and a coffee liqueur in the bottle.
Oh my God!
Kita ba kita?
Giant!
Tapos yung pa,
Ka-cute.
pag magpicture ka, ganyan. Ganyan.
Hippopotamus.
Tingin tayo ng salamin. Ayun, gaganda ng salamin nila, oh. Ito, oh. $16,000 pala yung salamin dito.
Paano na here?
14,000, oh. 4,500. First time ni Jinsky, Nena. Buksan natin ang ating donut.
Open mo na. This is your original glaze.
Mark, sugar high. Sugar high.
You like sweet?
Goodbye 2025 and hello 2026. So, I hope you will be happy this year. Not perfect, just real happiness. I hope you choose peace over pressure, growth over fear, and courage. Even when things fall uncertain, acknowledge the journeys you've survived. Be gentle with yourself when you fall and be brave enough to keep going this year. Let happiness from within. And let yourself truly love, truly live. Good morning. Every morning is a new beginning, a new blessing, a new hope. It's a perfect day because it is a gift from God. Today, note from God. God bless everyone. Take care always. Have a good day. Have a good day. Today, notes. Choose joy, not stress, because peace of mind is more than valuable than anything. Have a nice day, everyone. God bless. Yan ang aming group picture. Yan, guys. So, kasama ang tatlong teenager, anak ni Asun. At yan, donut glaze ang sarap-sarap original. Yan ang two couples. So, enjoy for watching. God bless. Thank you for watching.